WAP. When you go to the homepage, so ito yung makikita nyo when you already registered. But I'm not sure if ito ba talaga. So ito yung nasa screen natin ngayon kasi we already have an account. Okay? But if you register, you will be in the homepage of WAP. So, but right here, and dito, makikita natin yung iba't ibang agencies or companies na pinasukan ko. Like Cliphouse, The Clipship, Clipping Culture, and others. Sa taas niyan, merong Home, may Search, and Discover. To start, just click Discover. So, eto mismo yung page na lalabas. Then, you can actually explore everything here. But, to start, eto, follow nyo muna kung ano yung instruction na binigay ko sa inyo ngayon. Just click Content Rewards. Okay? Okay, so ito yung bubungad sa atin. Ito yung Content Rewards page. Different campaigns yung makikita natin dito.